Can you hear that? Today is an exciting day. Work is starting on the terrace.
Welcome to Casa Stefano. This is my story of buying a house in Italy, sight unseen, during the pandemic, and the adventure of renovating the house and exploring the Salento in southern Puglia. Let's see what's been going on up on the roof. Today is pressure washing. So by the time I leave in a couple of hours, we'll see what kind of progress they've made. Wow, you can already see there's a huge difference. All of this old black material, which is organic really, it's all lichens and moss, and all of it gets blown away by the pressure washer by the time they're finished. And that alone makes a huge difference in how the roof's going to look. So it's time for me to go. So a quick look around and show you what they've done so far. So look at that, how much of all that stuff that comes off, that hasn't been sprayed yet. So it really reveals the stone. And let's see, so you can see they have to come in and do some repairs. They'll scour out a lot of these joints, and you can see where there's some separation here and there. You can power wash the walls. So the walls get a coat of plaster where needed. And let's go over here. This is going to get some special care because this patchwork has to come off and be scoured. The joints properly scoured. So, but it is pretty amazing how much comes out when you do that. So that's it for now.
scavando la terrazzina di qui sotto, ma purtroppo mi devo fermare perché ho dovuto togliere tutta l'acqua con la scopa e la paletta e buttarla sull'altro terrazzo perché il tubo di scarico là è otturato, quindi non mi posso rischiare a buttare tutta quest'acqua qui sopra per lavare sto terrazzo. Va bene? Toti, vedi se risolvete? Buongiorno. Quando viene chi la mandato? Ah?
Wow, take a look at that. What a big difference in a before and after. Here's before, here's what it looks now. Can't believe it. Special thanks to Salento with Love and Remote Refurbishment for making it happen and making it look absolutely fabulous. Thanks for watching.